Good morning, everybody. Um, I will show you in this tutorial how to resize and set up the avatar. Um, the version I have from the IKEA, the procedural one, doesn't have a compatibility with the skilling system of VRChat. I hope we're gonna have an update soon from the person who did that IKEA. When I do, I will probably just like do an announcement and a big update on the avatar. Until then, I will show you how to resize the avatar to be able to have like a nice fitting for those legs. First of all, like here, I will duplicate it so I can keep the OG one. The OG size is 1.2, so it's around 173 centimeters. Um, so here at example, I will put at 1.1. So we change. Before you forget about it, you have to change the view position. Okay, that can be scary because maybe so you see all of those green stuff. If you don't see that, you will probably have to install something else. I will put every link and every tutorial you need to check on the description. But maybe you're gonna be scared because you're gonna see the face bone, so those white stuff. There's a lot. I know it's scary. You can like toggle off on the VRC face bone, and then it's a little more clear. You can see what you're doing. So you select the little ball, you put it around the eyes. Up it. There we go. So we're sure we're not, we have a good point of view. After that, turn that off. It's not like really that scary. You open it and you can see like there's the inverse kinetics over here. It's not gonna work anymore with the legs we have now because it's a different scale. It's not gonna be, you're gonna look a little funky if you do that. Still working, but that's gonna look funky. So what you can do is go on the spider IKEA. So it's the IKEA setup. You select the avatar. You will have to open it to the amateur. It's not that scary. Don't worry. I named it in a way it's easy. So you have the spider hips parent, spider hips root. With the constraint target is the hips of your humanoid. And then like pair of legs before were spiders. And then step of height 0.3. You can put higher if you want it. Me, I put that because I like it. And then you do setup IKEA. We see a new one. We can do the old one. So we can check if there is everything. So if you see stuff under, it's good. Because if you don't see anything, there's an error. It might DM, recheck if everything's working well, check the tutorial from the person who did the spider IKEA. Just in case maybe there is something you did wrong or maybe you select the wrong parents. It's easy fix usually. After that, you see like, oh, everything is okay. You just like prepare to upload. So you have the ready for upload. And then you can check a little over here in the VRI key. If you want the legs, like the best thing is actually do a play mode or upload on VRChat very fast a version and you just like look if the speed of the legs are what you like or not. Me, I put those legs at zero, like the speed at 0.8 and the threshold at 0.7. The threshold is going to make like when it's too long, the legs gonna uh, very like split far away, then join you again. So it's gonna look very funky, not very good. So you can play with those, but like if you resize it, that's going what like that's a little issue. You will have to play, and usually like you just like for the threshold you have to kind of like nearly do the same on all. Maybe like the one on the middle, like the 2 and 3 is gonna be a little different since they are not that close as the per one. But that's all. If you change the spin, you have to change on all of them. Do the same until like you want maybe the first pair, so the one on the front, to be even more slower than the rest. It can happen. Like few species of spiders have that, like really very slow legs on the front and very fast one on the back. So yeah, that's you having fun with that. And then that's all. We can just upload. If there is any issue, I will let the link for finding a key because maybe you will need that, a link to the video tutorial from the person who did the spider eye key, a link to my Discord if you have any issue, feel free to eat over there. Have a good day and I hope I was clear as I can.